Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Steam account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your Steam account, start by launching the Steam client or visiting the Steam website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. When prompted, select Forgot Your Password. You will now be directed to a page where you can enter your account name or the email associated with your account. Input your account name or email and click on the search button. If you correctly entered your information, you will receive a verification email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Steam. Check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your main inbox. Once you find the email, open it and click on the link provided to reset your password. You will now be prompted to enter a new password. Choose a strong password that meets Steam's security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again. After successfully setting a new password, return to the Steam client or website. Log in using your account name and the new password you just created. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you may need to enter a verification code received on your mobile device. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Consider updating your recovery options to avoid future issues. Make sure your email address is verified for extra security. That's it. You've successfully recovered your Steam account and can now access all your games. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.